Hey there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Slack integration and automation for your business process. So yes, I can assist you with that. I have built many automation around Slack, more than 1,000 businesses I supported so far. So there are three ways we can work with Slack automation. Number one, we can use the inbuilt automation facility inside Slack. So we can create workflows, really basic ones, but yeah, Slack things can be done. I'll quickly showcase you that. So over here, Slack has something called workflow builder, and these kind of workflows can be created based upon schedule, emoji reaction, or something else. Now, secondly, we can go with platforms like make.com or Zapier. So here you see, Zapier has inbuilt integration of Slack available here, and it has all the triggers. So right from any of these new channel file mentions are created or messages are getting in, and we can work with almost any sort of actions as well. So we can perform any action inside Slack using the Zapier module. Now, similar to this, there is something called make.com. So Make also has inbuilt Slack module available, all the triggers like message or users created, and we can perform almost any other action to send message, to list files, channels, and so many things. In case if we are missing something out, then we can use make an API call feature as well. The third major option is directly working with Slack APIs. So Slack has a well-structured API documentation available, and here you see like we can work with messaging modules, we can work with authentication, users, and almost again everything which we wanted to work along. But primarily APIs are directly used on coding languages, so we'll have to go for Python or Java based codings. Now I'll quickly showcase you my own experience with Slack automation. So here, first of all, I created this very small automation. When there is a defective product notified on Slack, then it is getting updated into Notion. Similarly, here WooCommerce orders are getting updated into Slack channels through a message, as well as the Google Sheets. Here it's a quite big scenario. So you see it's starting from a particular webhook and using Close CRM. So Close CRM is getting updated, searching opportunities, creating a lead, deal, and finally updating out the entire progress on Slack. Now, apart from this, this is one of the good example of a large scenario which is starting from a webhook and creating a long sequence of event inside Close CRM, as well as the final progress is getting updated on Slack using a Slack channel message. Similarly, here also a couple of other things. So starting from this Gmail, running through the entire data using PostgreSQL and updating the progress on the Slack. Same way here also, Adobe Commerce order are getting notified on Slack. So these kind of automations I build, and the possibilities are endless. So I would love to contribute my own automation and integration skills, and I can add immense value to your processes. So looking forward to hear from you. Let's jump on a call and discuss how I can assist you to Slack automation or any other business process automation required. So thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Good day. Bye.